Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this 3-minute updo using 6 ponytails. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face and do this on both sides of the head. Then I'm going to divide the hair in half from about the end of the eyebrow height and then just clip this out of the way for later. With the bottom section, divide this into 3 equal parts and then pop each one into a small ponytail about mid-ear height. So you should have 3 ponytails all in a row, and then we're going to release that top section down and do the same steps. So divide it equally into 3 parts and then put each of those parts into a small ponytail above the other 3. So you should have 6 little ponytails, 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. And I'm just adding some spray wax to control any flyaways. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then I'm going to take the middle and the right hand ponytail at the top and tie them together in a simple knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. Then secure to the head with a couple of bobby pins, making sure that you pull the sides down to help hide those elastics. And I'm going to do the same on the left hand side, so take the left hand and the middle strand, tie them in a knot and secure with a few bobby pins. So you should have 3 tail ends, one each side and a small one in the middle. I'm just going to take that small one in the middle and I'm going to pop a bobby pin onto the end of it. And then I'm just going to bring this up, give it a twist and tuck it into the top of the bun to help hide that elastic band. Then we're going to do the same steps on the bottom ponytails. So take the right hand ponytail in the middle one, tie your knot, pull it tight to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And then lastly we're going to do the left hand knot. So take the middle section and the left hand ponytail, tie it in a knot and secure with a few more pins. And I'm going to take that little tail end in the middle, pop a bobby pin on the end and then just twist it towards the bun and tuck it in. And that's all we're really going to do with the other tail ends, is just pop a bobby pin on the end and then just twist them towards the bun and slide them in. This really helps fill in any gaps, so you can pop these wherever you need the extra volume. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, please consider subscribing. I upload 2 tutorials a week. Then I'm going to pinch and pull at the hair at the crown for some more texture and volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.